Milo, you're around the wrong way. Why are you upside down? How does gravity work, Milo? Milo, that's not what that's for. Milo, 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 that's not what that's for. Milo, that's not what that's for. What if I touch you? Can I touch you? Oh no! I swing you. I swing you. Yeah? You don't care. You don't care. You don't care. You don't care. You just want to play. You just want to play with your bell. Nothing matters except your bell. Nothing matters except Milo's bell. Nothing matters. Nothing matters except the bell. Okay. Bye-bye, weirdo.